up, guys? It's been a while since we made I've been in these videos. It's been really busy. So let me show you guys what's going on in the shop right now. Right behind me, we actually have this beautiful BMW X5. What we're actually doing, or what I'm actually in the process of doing, is what I do for all the cars. I'm redesigning the kits, making sure every edge is wrapped. That is the key thing to ensuring our type of finish. What I like about that is that when you're gonna be doing like a car wash, pressure washing close to the edges, it's gonna be a lot harder to peel because all the edges are wrapped inside. Plus, it's this whole seamless design that I love having. So, this complete car is gonna get protected. I'm in the XPEL DAP software right now, and we're gonna make some adjustments, but I'll show you this a little bit later. I'm gonna show you guys what else we're doing. So we got GLI here, getting a full front end protection film. The hood's just been done. We're gonna be doing the rest of the front end. And then the rest of the paint, you know, it's a brand new car, but it looks faded from the factory. This is because the last technician that actually touched the paint didn't do a good job buffing the car. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna correct all the paint, then we're gonna put a ceramic coating on top. This is gonna make a really deep shine, and I can't wait to show it to you guys. So this is the before, and we'll show you guys the after later. Over on this side, we got our famous Tesla Model 3s. So full stealth conversion, and on one of my favorite finishes, I mean colors, it's when we do it on a pearl white, and we give it that satin pearl white look. What I love absolutely about it is when you shine the light on it, you still see the pearls through the satin, and it makes it such a rich and beautiful finish. By far one of my favorite colors to do. And A4 wagon, that's a huge makeover. Doors off, satin black wrap that we're doing right there. We'll show you a bit more about that later. And Tony right now, he's working on this Tesla Model Y Performance. So it's gonna get one of our most popular packages, which is our front end, A-pillars, and rocker panel protection. The package next to that one is people usually do the entire car. So this package actually covers about 75% of what would normally hit it from the frontal area. And all the other things is really on the side. People door things and stuff, it doesn't protect against that, but it will protect the bottom of the doors. So just to show you guys, this is another brand new car, and there are paint defects in it. So along the hood, you're gonna see, trunk. There are buffer trails all over the car, and this is extremely common, especially when they're trying to correct stuff like this. So I don't know if John can get this, but there is a slight imperfection right here, and you can see that the dealership or the technician tried to work this area out. That's why it's completely hazy, especially on dark colored cars. When they're not detailed properly, this is what happens. And you can see there were some defects around this area, some scratches and dings. We're gonna talk to the owner, see if they want us to fix this, because it really looks weird. So actually outside we have a Porsche Macan, brand new 2020. This customer brought it all the way from Ottawa to get it done here at Top Wrap Canada in Montreal. So what we're doing is we're doing a complete stealth conversion. So exactly what we did on this Tesla Model 3, we're doing on that one. So it's a gloss black car. It's gonna be changed to satin black, tinting the reflectors, ceramic tints all around. Really cool project. Can't wait to show you guys that one. Probably a little bit later into the week. For those who are curious about the A4, what's going on with it, pretty much everything is getting done. You know, there were little hiccups along the way. Because this car under the wrap had extensive body work done to it. There's a lot of dings, a lot of scratches that we had to work around. So we did a lot of trial and error to see if it was what we were considering up to our standards. And that kind of gave us some delays. So that's why Raja right now, do you mind being in the videos, Raja? No? That's Raja, guys. He's new to the team. Say hi. So he's right there. He's actually wrapping the inside of the door panels. That's the last door. We want to give this car back to the owner as if it was like a brand new car. So we want to really reveal it properly. It's going to get an entire interior shampoo, entire engine shampoo, And also we're gonna be doing a full protection film on the entire front end. Because it is silver under, when it chips, it's gonna chip silver. So he wants to keep the satin black for a very long time. So we're gonna wrap the entire front end in satin protection film, plus do a ceramic coating on the whole thing. So some little things that we added along the way to make this project fully complete. So it did add some delays to the job, but I think the owner's gonna be happy with it, and I can't wait to reveal this one to you guys too. Tony agrees? Yeah, Tony? Yes, sir. All right, so that's it for this week, guys. Check back with us in a little bit, and feel free to leave some comments below. I don't know what you guys wanna see, process, or you guys wanna see just full videos of the car getting wrapped, time lapse, I don't know. Let us know, comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys later.